Here we have your leg extension machine. It's our Icarian line. It's an oldie but a goodie. With that said, there's three main points of adjustment. You have your back brace, which you have your lever. You can push it up or extend it. And then you have your lever for your leg extension portion. I'm a little bit longer, so I'm gonna pull that lever and extend it out just slightly, okay? From here on, I'm gonna go ahead, grab a seat, slide myself into position. I know the seat's good for me because my knees are aligned with the pivot point, and they're just good enough where it hugs the back of my legs so I can get good support. You got your handles, okay? From here, the knee's in a flex position. You're gonna take a deep breath and exhale as you take your knee into leg extension. From here, breathing in on the way down, exhaling on the way up.